Welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports, guys. Just in minutes ago, this really nice vintage Homelite Super XL. This one's in nice shape. It's from the original owner, I believe. It came from A.C. Lamb & Son in Liverpool, New York. Now, we all know that A.C. Lamb was the producer of that really large antique saw that it's very hard to find. Of course, this is not it. However, it is a really, really nice saw. 100% complete, not missing any parts. All we did was add fuel to it, adjust the carburetor, and it lit right off. I'm going to tear this one apart tomorrow and go through it from top to bottom. The saw will be just like brand new again, run like brand new. You won't want to miss that one, guys. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. This saw has probably not started in years and years and years. I'm not sure. But as we said, tomorrow I'm going through this from top to bottom, complete disassemble, clean, wash, new parts. It will be just like brand new again. Thanks for watching, and stop back again anytime. Comment, like, and subscribe, and you'll catch us on the next one. Vintage King Motorsports, where quality and price always matters most.